Tesla Autopilot is an advanced driver assistance system that enhances safety and convenience by automating tasks like steering, acceleration, and braking under your supervision. It's a level 2 system, meaning you must always pay attention and be ready to take control. As of December 2025, Autopilot comes standard on most Tesla models. Tesla Autopilot's core features are designed to assist with driving tasks while requiring your full attention. The primary components are traffic-aware cruise control and auto steer. Traffic-aware cruise control, or TAC, maintains your vehicle's speed and automatically adjusts to traffic conditions. It slows down when approaching slower vehicles and speeds up when the road clears, keeping a safe following distance. Auto steer provides lane-keeping assistance by keeping your vehicle centered in its lane. It uses cameras to detect lane markings and gently adjusts steering to maintain position, but you must keep your hands on the wheel and be ready to intervene. Remember, Autopilot is an advanced driver assistance system, not full self-driving. You must remain engaged at all times, with hands on the wheel and eyes on the road, ready to intervene if needed. To activate Autopilot, first ensure your Tesla is in drive mode and on a suitable road like highways or divided roads with clear lanes. Pull the right stalk, which is the turn signal lever, towards you just once. This activates traffic-aware cruise control. Once activated, the dashboard will show a speedometer icon with a car, confirming traffic-aware cruise control is active. To engage auto steer for lane keeping, first ensure your Tesla is in drive mode with the seatbelt fastened and you're traveling above 18 miles per hour on a compatible road with clear lanes. After activating traffic-aware cruise control with the first pull of the right stalk, pull the right stalk towards you a second time to enable auto steer. With the second pull, the dashboard icon will change to show steering input, indicating auto steer is now active for lane keeping. Auto steer assists with steering to keep the vehicle in its lane, maintaining proper positioning between lane lines. However, you must keep your hands on the wheel and remain attentive at all times, ready to intervene if needed. To disengage Autopilot, simply push the right stalk away from you or gently apply the brakes. The system might also disengage automatically if it detects you're not attentive, such as having no hands on the wheel for an extended period. The first and most important safety rule when using Tesla Autopilot is to always keep your hands on the wheel and your eyes on the road. Even though Autopilot assists with driving, you must remain actively engaged and ready to intervene at any moment. Autopilot is designed for specific conditions and cannot handle all driving scenarios. For example, it may struggle with unprotected left turns where you need to yield to oncoming traffic. In these situations, you must take manual control. Low visibility conditions such as heavy fog, rain, or snow can impair Autopilot's sensors and cameras. In these weather conditions, the system may not be able to see obstacles or lane markings clearly, so you should disable Autopilot and drive manually. You must be prepared to take over control of the vehicle at any moment. Autopilot can disengage due to system limitations, road conditions, or if it detects you're not paying attention. Stay alert and keep your hands ready on the wheel. Finally, complete Tesla's in-app training module. This free training takes about 15 minutes and provides essential knowledge about Autopilot's capabilities, limitations, and safe usage practices. It's mandatory for all new Tesla owners and highly recommended for understanding the system. A common mistake with Tesla Autopilot is over-reliance on the system. Remember, Autopilot is designed as an assistance system, not a replacement for attentive driving. The diagram shows how Autopilot uses various sensors like radar and cameras to maintain safe distances and assist with driving. Another mistake is not recognizing Autopilot's limitations in bad weather or complex road conditions, such as heavy rain or unprotected turns. This illustration highlights Autopilot features like traffic-aware cruise control and auto steer, which work best in clear, predictable conditions. Finally, always be ready to intervene at any moment, even when Autopilot is engaged. Keep your hands on the wheel and eyes on the road. The The top-down view demonstrates how autopilot uses sensors around the vehicle to detect obstacles, but human supervision remains essential. By avoiding these common mistakes, you can use autopilot safely and effectively. Tesla continues to refine autopilot through iterative software updates, emphasizing safety and reliability in response to regulatory requirements and real-world feedback. While future goals include more autonomy, with Tesla aiming for Level 4 capabilities by 2030 and city-street driving capabilities by 2026, these advancements depend on regulatory approval and extensive testing. Remember that even the most advanced systems require constant human oversight and vigilance from the driver. Stay updated with the latest Tesla software releases through over-the-air updates, and always prioritize safe driving habits to ensure the best experience with autopilot.